नमस्ते एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल संस्कारा बाय निशिता। आई होप कि आप लोग एकदम स्वस्थ, मस्त और तंदुरुस्त होंगे। अगर आप योगा करते हैं तो ये क्वेश्चन आपके माइंड में ज़रूर आया होगा कि क्या मुझे प्रैक्टिस मॉर्निंग में करनी चाहिए, क्या इवनिंग वाली बेनिफिशियल है या मॉर्निंग वाली ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल है। अगर आपके भी माइंड में ये क्वेश्चन आया है तो लेट्स ट्राई टू डिबंक कि योगा मॉर्निंग में ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल है, इवनिंग में ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल है। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स डाइव इन। So let's talk about the pros and cons of doing yoga in the morning. So number one, let's talk about the pros. So if you practice yoga in the morning, it awakens your body, it awakens your mind. After having a good night's sleep, you're fresh, recharged and refreshed. And also if you work out in the morning, you do yoga in the morning, you set a positive tone for the entire day. कहते हैं ना, जो आप सुबह करते हैं, जैसा आपको मूड होता है, you carry that mood throughout the day. So it sets a positive tone. Number two, doing pranayam or breath work in the morning is more beneficial because there is less distractions. कोई traffic का noise नहीं है, there's no kids or there's no family to disturb you. It's all calm and serene. And कहते हैं उसका 10 times more benefit मिलता है when you practice that breath work, pranayam during the morning because the environment is very calm. Number three, I would say this is the biggest pro. When you do yoga first thing in the morning, it's like you get it out of the way. And there are less chances of you to skip because क्या होता है, by the end of the day there are other commitments हो जाते हैं, work commitment, there is a sudden plan of going somewhere. So if you take out half an hour, 40 minutes early in the morning, you do your yoga, so that is out of the way and there are less likely chances of you missing your practice. Doing it in first half of the day keeps you consistent, keeps you disciplined also. So that's I think number one pro, I would say. Also, after having a good night's sleep, your body is stiff. You feel little stiff when you wake up in the morning. So doing that workout, recharges you, rejuvenates you, and gets you ready for the day. There's more blood circulation, your muscles are open up, there's more blood circulation flow throughout the body, so you're all charged and pumped up to take on the day heads on. So I think these are the few pros of doing yoga in the morning. अब इसके कुछ cons भी है. So number one is pros ही cons भी हो जाते हैं कभी. So सबसे पहले कि आपकी body stiff होती है. So you need to do more warm up. थोड़ा सा extra effort लगता है to open up the body because आप night sleep से उठे हैं, your body is stiff. If you are sleeping, under an air conditioned room, so you'll see that body is stiffer. So to open up the body, it takes more effort. It takes more time to open up the body. So this is, I think, number one con for doing workout in the morning. So अगर आप योगा करते हैं, so you will see that you are going to comparatively take more time to open up the body. Number two, time pressure. अगर आपकी morning वैसे ही बहुत rushed है, you don't have much time for yourself to work out, so you will feel you are in a very hurried. मतलब constantly अगर आप कोशिश भी करेंगे meditation का या ध्यान लगाने का, तो आपके back of the mind रहेगा कि अच्छा मुझे स्कूल भेजना है, there are number of things that you have to do, so it makes it little difficult because you're time pressed. So जो practice होगी इतना fruitful नहीं होगा because there are so many things already going on in your mind. And then number three, योर बॉडी टाइप. देर आर सम पीपल जो मॉर्निंग पर्सन है ही नहीं. मॉर्निंग में वो एनर्जी आती ही नहीं कि या उठ गए, वी आर रेडी फॉर द डे. ऐसा लगता है हो मॉर्निंग हो गई है. सो कफा पीपल आर लाइक दैट. मतलब अगर आप उनको बोलेंगे ना, जैसे इट्स नॉट दैट एवरीबडी इज मेंट टू बी अ अर्ली वेकर. मतलब सबको अच्छा नहीं लगता टू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग. सो इफ यू आर अ कफा टाइप, यू विल सी योर एनर्जी इज लो ड्यूरिंग द मॉर्निंग एंड दैट मेक्स इट डिफिकल्ट for you to practice in the morning. So that can also be one of the cons कि अगर आप morning person है ही नहीं और अपना आपको push कर रहे हैं, तो the practice not going to be very fruitful honestly. Okay, ये तो बात हो गई है अपनी morning yoga practice की. Now let's talk about evening yoga practice. So let's talk about the pros. Number one is आप पूरे दिन की थकान के जो stress है, that anxiety that you've been carrying throughout the day, it helps you release all that tension, build up tension. So when you do yoga in the evening, you feel that pent up emotions, pent up energy, और जो pent up stress है, you kind of release all that through that practice, and you feel very calm, you feel very light. So that also leads to the number 2 pro of doing evening practice. आपने योगा प्रैक्टिस करी इवनिंग में, you feel very good and you have a good night sleep. आप अच्छा फील कर रहे हैं, द टेंशन इज़ रिलीव्ड, यू हैव ओपन अप द बॉडी बहुत अच्छे से वार्म्ड अप है, सब कुछ है. एंड देन व्हेन यू स्लीप यू हैव अ गुड नाइट स्लीप बिकॉज देयर इज़ नॉट much in your mind at the moment because you've kind of released it throughout the practice. So you have a good sleep because mind जितना constantly overwork करेगा, it is very difficult for you to have a good night sleep, deep sleep जिसे कहते हैं. आप सो सकते हैं but जो quality of sleep है वो अच्छी नहीं होती. So if you practice in the evening, your quality of sleep is going to improve. So that is also the pros of working or doing yoga in the evening. जो number 3 pro है, it's your body is very open. So जब आप पूरे दिन you're working out और आप जो भी काम वगैरह कर रहे हैं, you have much blood flow throughout your body is opened up. So आप देखेंगे आसना प्रैक्टिस ना कई बार if you do it in the evening you're able to get it better because आप बॉडी स्टिफ नहीं है, आपकी थोड़ी रिजिड नहीं है, you have already opened up, so little warm up so you get a better result. So if you see practice in the evening, you might have seen for yourself because personally मैंने अपने साथ देखा है, when I do it in the evening I feel there are some asanas जो मैं struggle करती हूँ morning practice में, it is easier for me because your body is already warmed up और इतना मेहनत नहीं करना पड़ता आपको warm up में जितना morning में करना पड़ता है because of your stiff body. और जो आप morning में face करेंगे वो evening में नहीं face करना पड़ता. Now let's talk about some cons. Now जितना आप stress relieve करते हो उतना it can be difficult also for you to concentrate. जैसे आपका बहुत कुछ even in the office or home में बहुत कुछ चल रहा है, so it becomes very very difficult for you to mentally concentrate because your mind is overstimulated and to get that concentration, to get that focus, it becomes very very difficult because you're already overstimulated. So that can be one of the cons of working out in the evening because आप पूरा pent up emotions और पूरे दिन की थकान लेके आते हो, मैट पे बैठते हो, so it makes you little heavy to practice in the evening. Now number 2 con is कि अगर आपके कमिटमेंट्स रहते हैं थोड़ा कंसिस्टेंट रहना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी आर गोइंग आउट इन द इवनिंग्स. सो कोई प्लान बन गया है, कोई ऑफिस पार्टी है, देयर इज अदर कमिटमेंट्स दैट यू हैव टू फुलफिल, सो देयर आर हाई चांसेस यू आर गोइंग टू मिस the evening practices. You cannot be more consistent, so you need to put in that extra effort to be disciplined and consistent for practicing in the evening because there are high chances कि कोई ना कोई commitment होगा आपका, कोई ना कोई promises होगा that you have to fulfill and you end up missing your evening practice. Also one of the cons is कि अगर आप evening में practice करते हैं overstimulating like a power yoga, hot yoga, so you are like over energized and this might make you difficult to fall asleep. So सोने में difficulty हो सकती है because you're overstimulated, you're over recharged and you're ready to take the day, whereas we want to calm down and go to sleep, relax. So वो एक कौन हो सकता है when you practice in the evening you feel over recharged and energized and it is difficult for you to sleep in the end. So these are some of the pros and some of the cons of working out in the morning and the evening. Now there is no right or wrong answer to this question. It depends on what is your goal, what do you want to achieve, what is your lifestyle, what is your other things, other factors like family and other things that you have to take into account. At the end, we want to be consistent, we want to be disciplined, we want to be systematic with our practice. Now you have to choose कि अगर मैं morning में better है मेरे लिए करना या evening में better है करना, depending on all the other factors. No two people are same, no two bodies are same, no two people have the same situations and environment. So you need to find the best solution where you can be consistent, where you're able to take time for yourself and you're able to practice. At the end, regular practice, consistent practice is what we need, not morning and evening. So there are going to be pros and there are going to be cons for each of them. So you have to select the best thing that works out for you and for your body. So I hope कि मैं कुछ हद तक इस कन्फ्यूजन को दूर कर पाई हूँ और आपको कुछ ना कुछ इसमें से ज़रूर सीखने को मिला हो. एंड अगर आपको मिला हो देन प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. मैं अपने चैनल में ऐसे ही कुछ आसनास डिबंक करती हूँ, कुछ कॉमन डिजीजेस जिसके सोल्यूशन छुपे हैं योगा, आयुर्वेदा में, कुछ ऐसे छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम जिनका सोल्यूशन मैं ट्राई करती हूँ अपने वीडियोस में देने के लिए. सो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. और अगर आप एक न्यू योगा टीचर है जिसको आइडिया नहीं है कि अपनी योगा जर्नी कैसे स्टार्ट की जाए, देन प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो आरोग्यम योगा एंड वेलनेस बाय सप्तशिका. वो अपनी यूट्यूब वीडियोस में बहुत ही माइन्यूटली ब्रेक डाउन करती है योर करियर इन योगा पाथ. You can, if you are a new teacher or you're an intermediate or you're an advanced teacher, she makes videos for everyone. So you're not going to regret. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए नमस्ते.